Wasabis, this is Jirbie from Couchwasabi. In today's video, I will show you the unboxing of this new Zellaroma Waterless Diffuser and also a quick demo. So if this is something that you'd want to see, please keep watching. Okay, so this is sold for $3,599 and it comes in this very sturdy box. Since this is a waterless diffuser, it comes now with two empty bottles that you can plug in or screw in your diffuser. Sa Eden's Garden, isa lang yung kasama. And then your AC adapter and the cable. What's great about this diffuser is that you can also recharge this. Yan. So rechargeable siya. You can bring it anywhere. You can bring it in your car or out of town. And then here's your user manual. I've pre-charged this already, so the way you do it is you screw it off from the bottom. And then, since hindi kasha 15 ml Zellaroma bottles, good thing they have their own 10 ml bottle that you can put in your oils directly. You don't have to put water kasi nga it's waterless diffuser. So for today, I will be using the Zellaroma Sweet Orange and Zellaroma Peppermint oils. I've already pre-charged the diffuser last night, so meron na siyang battery. But it normally comes to full charge in about 6 hours. Yan. So let's put in a few drops. So 5 drops of sweet orange. Sweet orange is my favorite oil from Zellaroma. So I like putting it sweet orange plus peppermint or sweet orange plus lavender. Okay, so once okay na siya, you filled in the bottle, meron na siyang kasamang yan, yung straw niya para umakyat dun sa diffuser. So don't lose this. And then just screw it in dun sa black na hole. Yan. So once the bottle is secured, just put this back and secure it, and then turn it on here sa likod niya where you should put the USB if you want to charge it. Meron siyang pang on, so yan, lights up. Okay, so for those of you who are new sa waterless diffuser, it's normal na hindi nakikita yung mist, pero in the first maybe 5 seconds of you turning it on, you will instantly smell yung amoy ng essential oils. So it has 3 modes. Meron siyang small, mist, medium, and large. The small is 30 seconds, 60 seconds, and 90 seconds. This diffuser automatically has intermittent settings. So pag nilagay mo dun sa smallest na mist icon, that's 30 seconds turned on, and then 2 minutes naka-off. Tapos yung second is 60 seconds naka-on, 2 minutes naka-off, or 90 seconds naka-on, 2 minutes naka-off. Which is really good kasi intermittent naman talaga dapat yung running time ng diffuser mo. That's the ideal setting of your diffuser when you're diffusing your pure essential oils. It also has a timer, so there's 1 hour running time, 2 hours, and 4 hours. If wala kang nakaselect right now, walang nakaselect, it's gonna be turned on for 24 hours or as long as meron battery inside your diffuser. Yan. So right now, naka-off siya for 2 minutes. Nagbe-blink siya kung nasa 120 second turn off period siya. Yan. So this one is really handy. As you can see, it's palm size. It's very pocket friendly. You can bring it anywhere. Under here, you can see that it covers up to 70 meters squared na room. And this one is only 200 grams. It's very lightweight. It's very pocket friendly. And it's very affordable. This is only $3,599, I believe. And this is from Zellaroma. Okay, so I have another diffuser, the waterless din. This is my very first diffuser. This is Eden's Garden. As you can see, meron din siyang straw, pero with Eden's Garden, ganyan lang. So with Zellaroma, nakita nyo kanina meron siyang filter. Yan, kasama na yung filter with the straw na ikakabit no mismo sa bottle ng essential oil, para walang nawawalang part. This is the new version, by the way. Merong old version na ganito. Parang straw lang din siya. Ayan, nag-on na siya ulit. Kasi tapos na yung 120 second off mode niya. Okay. So, sa Eden's Garden, straw lang. There's a tendency na mawala yung straw. If nawala siya, I'm not sure if you can order again through Eden's Garden. Buti yung sa hindi pa nawawala. So, comparing the two diffusers, as you can see, mas pocket-friendly yung Zellaroma. That's why I prefer this a little more. Also, it's cheaper. And if you buy it from Zellaroma, it has 1 month, I think. Or, it has warranty. So, the after-sale service is really great. Although Eden's Garden, meron din siyang warranty, kaya lang it's from abroad, so medyo baka mas matagal yung process. And, both of them, merong intermittent setting. Aesthetically, this is a little cuter compared to this. And this one is a little bulkier. By the way, ito, hindi siya rechargeable. So, the Eden's Garden has to be connected in a power source via USB. While the Zellaroma diffuser can run cordless. So, ganyan lang siya. Pwede siyang sa car, pwede siya sa office, anywhere. You can take it anywhere. And if wala ng battery, you can just recharge it via USB or via the wall socket. By the way, if nag-turn off siya mag-isa dahil wala ng battery, or if it fully shuts down because it has no battery, don't forget to charge it first for the first 10 minutes without turning it on. So, bigyan mo muna siya ng power for the first 10 minutes bago mo siya i-turn on again while charging. So, you can actually use it while it's charged, but make sure that the first 10 minutes is solely allocated for charging. Just a quick comparison. Size-wise, this is a little more compact, so it's more pocket-friendly, it's more portable. This is a little heavier, so if you want something a little more sturdy, I guess, parang pang table setting, this is really nice kasi medyo mabigat siya. Although the build of this is really nice, kasi tapered siya, it's really cute. I feel that it's really modern and very minimalist. As to the coverage, almost same lang sila. This covers about 70 meters squared. This covers for about 55 to 72 meters squared. So, medyo similar. And then for the modes, you have 30 seconds, 60 seconds, and 90 seconds turned on. This one automatically has 120 seconds turned off intermittent setting. So, that is 2 minutes off for every 30 seconds or 60 seconds or 90 seconds turned on. For Theralux naman, you have an option how many seconds siya turned on and how many seconds siya turned off, and the total timer for your running time. So you have on, perpetually on, 30, 60, or 120 minutes turned on. For this one, you have 1 hour, 2 hours, or 4 hours. Pwede rin siyang perpetually turned on pag wala kang sinelect na timing mode. So, depends on you. If you're into like 30 seconds on with intermittent setting, you can definitely do that with this. But if you want a 30-second turned on setting, wala siya dito sa Zellaroma. Or kung gusto mo, i-manually timer mo siya with the perpetually on setting. Okay? As for the convenience of putting in the bottle, parang mas convenient dito sa Theralux kasi you'll just screw it in dito sa labas. For the Zellaroma, you have to screw off the base as shown in my clip earlier, and then papasok mo siya sa loob. So, there's not much functional difference on that, but I guess, as for cleaning, pareho naman siyang mabilis linisin in my experience. Ito mas mabigat lang talaga yung Eden's Garden. Another stark difference, by the way, is that the Eden's Garden cannot run on its own without the power plugged in. So, hindi siya cordless. Kailangan mo siyang saksakin somewhere on a USB or on a wall charger. But your Zellaroma is rechargeable. It can run cordless. So, ito. You just have to recharge the battery from here. Itong back flap. Yan. And then, just turn it on. Yung power niya, nandito rin sa likod. And there you go. Yan, the power button and the USB port is there. And once you have charged this for 6 hours, 4 to 6 hours yung charging time niya, you can use this anywhere. If you want to switch your oils, they have another bottle included free, or you can directly put in whatever essential oil bottle that you have. Basta ilagay mo lang yung kasamang straw filter inside your branded essential oil bottles and just screw it directly sa loob. In storing it, it's ideal na wala kang maiwang bottle kapag hindi mo siya ginagamit, or if you're not using it. Yan. Separate it na lang. Anyway, guys, so have you tried any waterless diffuser? If you've tried Eden's Garden or if you have tried Zellaroma, let me know kung ano yung mas gusto nyo or if you've tried any other brands na waterless diffuser. Because I'm really into waterless diffuser kasi less hassle siya and you just have to screw in whatever essential oil that you would want to use. If you want to use a blend, you can just put in the blends in the spare bottles and just screw it in. So it's very convenient. It's less hassle, it's less mess. So I guess that's all for today. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to share this on your Facebook wall to let your friends know about this new product. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!